So you must be frustrated right now because you're watching a lot of YouTube videos talking about Shiba will go to $1, will jump, will bump, like they just bump like Shiba coin, Dogecoin, and you're frustrated because you see the price going down still even today. We're gonna talk about how you gonna fix that. How you gonna buy where the whales. We want to buy with the whales, not retail trader buying. Okay, this is a big difference. Right now we still dipping because retail trader buying is like you and me. We just buy 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Okay, and the go. We want to know when the price will hit the trigger point where we'll be interested for the big whales to buy. And you know what happened when the big whales like come in and buy Shiba and Dogecoin and the other coin, the price will jump not just 10%, will jump like 50%, 100%, and 200%, 500%, okay? Because this is a trigger interest for big whales to buy. We're gonna discuss this right now, where the bottom, the perfect bottom for Shiba, Dogecoin, the other coin, so you can make money faster at the same time and like the best price to buy, the discounted price for each and one of them. So let's get right to it and stop talking and start making money. Here for Shiba, actually, as we said before, hopefully you saw the video that we said, we're gonna see the price go down here from this triangle. The price went down, and all the YouTuber will say, okay, the price will go up, it will go up, and price jump down, okay, because they don't know what they're talking about. Okay, so here we just want to tell you the truth, the honest truth. Right now we have a crazy support that if we held it, you know what's gonna happen. This will be another bull run for Shiba if we just hold this price. Okay, we have two target actually. The first target is the 40.4021. okay, 0.4021 for 48. This is crazy important for Shiba because right now we're already dipped and went below this support. Okay, we tested, we went down, and we have a wick again here. So what we should expect for the price go below here, and what we should see a big wick happening here. So this will give us a bit of warning sign that there is a big buying pressure happening and buy limit order triggered. Okay, we need a big wick here and the price jump like crazy, not just like what happened here, like small buying, like some people just buy $1 and $2. This is, we don't need this kind of trade. We need a trade when we have a big jump like what happened here. Okay, around the 23rd of October last year. So as I said, the 0.402148, and when we visit this price and jump, we're gonna talk about the other support level. Okay, we're gonna confirm this first, put the notifications so you never miss the update that I will do for Shiba. As I said here, we already have a trade right now. It triggered and is around the 4% up right now, which is with Gala. I just put the buy limit order. You see it triggered perfectly on our around our buy limit order. That's how I trade. I do buy limit order here at Bitget, and as you can see, I did buy limit order and the price triggered, and already have set like selling limit order in order to take a profit. As I said, if you want to use Bitget, you can use the link in the comment section below to get 158 USD Tether trial fund. Okay, so you can trade with me right now for free. You don't have to risk your money, and here you can open it on USD Tether future. Okay, not on the spot. When you get you sign up with my link, you can get it on USD Tether future. Okay, and you can have here the leverage. You can actually make it 50x leverage. So 100 will be almost like, say if you put it on X, 150 will be over 1000. Okay, and 50x, you know how much it will be. However, will be risky. That's why I always suggest to my client and my traders and Patreon and Discord to put it on 3x. So let's go here and see Dogecoin or Gala first. Gala went to perfect support right now where I hunted. You see already, but trigger here on trading view. Gala crossing 0.2873. So this is my trigger. If the price went down here, this will be my exit strategy, because it would be a weakness. However, we bounce and we have a big wick. Nice. And we bought at it right now. I have two targets to take a profit. The first is the 0.34 and the second is the 0.37. Okay. The next up we have Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is going near our support. Look, we already did this analysis on our here on even on Trading View. We did this technical analysis. Yeah, I think yesterday, 9th of January. Okay, we did this technical analysis, and we said we gonna see Dogecoin going around this support and then bounce. If you want to see like alert for Dogecoin and stocks, live alert on TradingView, you can check my link in comment section below for TradingView to get 50% discount if you join my link. And as I said, you can have access to my alert here on TradingView. If you don't use the Patreon or Discord, I do alert as well here on TradingView. Okay, as I said, the price is going perfectly near our support. We have a wick here near the 13 and we set around the 0.1315, so it's pretty close. Okay, so we expect to have double bottom here. The price will bounce and the 0.16 will be the reversal for Dogecoin. Okay, so this is how you should play the market. Okay, if you just stand still, this is still having decision that you don't want to make. Okay, so always have a strategy set. When you get out, when you take your profit, if you long hold Dogecoin or you're on tribe of Dogecoin or Shiba, might as well stay there, but know when you buy. Okay, don't buy with retail trader, buy with wells, as I show you here where you buy exactly where we're gonna see a big bounce. So without further ado, blast the like button, hit the notification so you never miss the next update for Shiba and the other coin. I will do it daily, so see you in the next update.